Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional invoice setup inside Clickup using templates and customization tools that help you save time and stay organized. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or part of a growing team, this method can make invoicing much more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Clickup website. Once you sign into your account, you'll land on your main workspace dashboard where all your spaces, tasks, and projects are organized. Instead of building an invoice completely from scratch, Clickup allows you to speed up the process using templates. On the left sidebar, locate the space where you usually manage client work, projects, or administrative tasks. Spaces help organize different parts of your workflow, making it easier to separate invoices, projects, and team operations. Next, hover over the space name and click the three-dot menu beside it. This opens additional settings and workspace options. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. Once the template section opens, click Browse Templates to access Clickup's template library. Inside the search bar, type Invoice. Clickup will display several invoice-related templates designed for different business needs and workflows. You can preview each template before selecting one, which is useful if you want to compare layouts or find a design that matches your business style. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview. Take a moment to review the structure carefully. Most invoice templates already include sections for client information, payment details, itemized services, totals, and due dates. If the template fits your needs, click Use Template. Clickup may ask where you want to apply the template, so select the appropriate space, folder, or list where your invoices will be stored. Now it's time to customize the invoice. Give the invoice or template a clear name so it's easier to identify later, especially if you'll be creating invoices regularly for multiple clients. A descriptive title can help keep your billing system organized over time. Next, update the invoice details with your own business information. Add your company name, logo, client details, payment terms, pricing, and any project-specific information. Depending on the template you selected, you may also be able to include notes, tax information, or payment instructions. It's important to double-check all details before saving the invoice, especially client names, totals, and due dates. Keeping your invoice information accurate helps avoid confusion and makes your business appear more professional. Once your edits are complete, save the template or task. From this point forward, you can reuse the same invoice structure whenever you need it, which significantly reduces the time spent creating invoices manually. Another useful feature is that Clickup allows you to update or modify templates later as your workflow changes. If your pricing, branding, or payment process evolves, you can simply edit the template instead of rebuilding everything from the beginning. And that's how you can create and customize invoices in Clickup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.